What's up everybody, welcome to Tag. Today I have some great news for everybody. The Windows wallet for Electronero is finally out. It's out for Windows 64-bit, so if you have that, you can begin to claim your ETNX. So one thing I do want to tell you is that the bounty rewards are being processed right now, so not everybody will have their bounty right away, but just know that the wallet is available and it's up and running, and when you get it, it will show up in the wallet. So before we begin, let me talk about how you can get the wallet at GitHub. So you want to visit this wallet download address at https GitHub Electronero project Electronero GUI releases, and download the Windows 64 zip version. Once you download it and unzip the file, it will look something like this. So you would have a .exe file right here, and you want to double click that and open it up. Then select your language, and then restore from keys or mnemonic seed. So we want to restore from keys, and what we want to do now is pull up the paper wallet that currently has the info of all the keys. So here's mine. Now what I also want you to do is open up a notepad, and when you open up the notepad, I want you to copy this public wallet address, go to the notepad and paste it. Once you do that, there's spaces here. You need to delete all these spaces. Then go back into your public and find your private view key from your wallet, paper wallet, and do the same thing. And then the last step right here is to copy the private spend key and also do the same thing. Delete any spaces and make sure it's on the notepad. This is important. Make sure you do this part on a notepad, because for some users, if it doesn't work, it's because you didn't do this part. So now that we have all three of these keys available, what we want to do now is to insert them back into the Electronero wallet. So let's take that, let's copy. We want to copy that here, and then we want to take the second one, we want to copy it. So I'll do it again for you guys. This is the private key, the private view key, and then finally this is the private spend key. Delete any spaces. Remember that space didn't allow me to move forward. So now that we copy that, we can go forward. Create a password. Any password will do. In this wallet's case, we're gonna call it Tech 1234. Tech 1234. And then I'll ask you to start automatically in the background or remote node. And this is recommended, so we're gonna move forward, but we're still gonna do remote node. So now we can use Electronero, right? So now it says starting local node. We'll wait for that for a little bit, and the daemon failed, right? Because this is a remote node wallet. So what we want to do is actually change that. We want to do a remote node here in settings, and then what we want to do is insert the address and the port. So the address is right here, http pool.electronero.org. The port is 28888. Copy that. that here. Let's retype the address. So pool.electronero.org, and then we want to connect. Let's do that one more time. So we have http://pool.electronero.org. And the port is 28888, and we'll connect. And then you see right here, daemon started, synchronizing wallet. And once this is all synchronized, then we're good to go. So it's running. It's gonna synchronize all those blocks, and at the end of synchronization, if you had, let's say, mining rewards or whatnot paid to this wallet, it will work. And this is how you run the wallet. After you have all that, you can send, receive, check your history. So we can take a look at all these settings right here. And that is it. And that is the Windows wallet for Electronero. Hope you guys